Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus development. In this video, we are going to install Los Santos river map into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is the river map which you are going to install into our FiveM server. I'll put the link in the description below. To download the map, you just need to click over here. After downloading it, we just need to extract the file into our FiveM resource folder. So I'll be extracting it over here. Just like this. So yes guys, that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in a server now, and behind me you can see the sewerage system of the Los Santos has been turned into the river, as you can see. And over here we will get a small park, as you can see. And we will get a dam over here, as you can see. So let's get to the park which is over here. So this is a small park, comes with this MLO, as you can see. So yes guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.